Hello, good morning. Biyahe naman ta, Wibi Santo. Kanatapos ang graduation ni Madam, April 15. Tuesday, so Wednesday nagpahuway, pagka Thursday na biyahe. Kaya nag-video ang akon nga Madam. Ara, pasulod na kami sa tube, going to the airplane sa Bupak, bound for Davao. Siyempre, sa pinaka-exciting nga part, nagdaog ako. Congratulations to myself. Kami sa kahanginan, sa babaw sang langit, charot. Kita mo na ang dagat sa Samal Island o ara ang Davao City, charot, Sub-Saharan African Mindanao. May kitsang aerial no daw kapuno na kitsang Davao, kapopulated na kitsang syudad nila. Amo na may mga tagas pag nga mga building, sambal sila nga wala daw mall, bukid daw. Hello, nami ang Davao no. Hello. Landing na kami.
Welcomes you to Davao International Airport. It is now 38 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon, and we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 22 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Jonathan Ramirez and First Officer Dominic Go, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Touchdown Davao with Badiday. Dari kami sa Davao, kay mas less ang fare kaysa sa Sansan, 6,000 to 8,000. My gosh, not worth it. Gid ang 8,000 mga fare. So dari na lang kami sa Davao. Maka-less, pila lang man ang bus. And 4 hours lang ang travel. Thank you Lord for the safe landing. Bye!